Today we are making mutton. This is mutton. We have washed this mutton, and now this dahi. We'll add this dahi to marinate it. We'll keep it for marinate. And here we have cut some onions, and we put in a water so it will get this cover would easy to remove. So for this quantity of mutton we are taking 2 scoops of dahi. This dahi here we are adding. Okay, and then you have to mix it nicely. So I mix some chili and turmeric powder, then again mix it well. So as per your requirement, you have to keep it for at least half an hour to marinate this. Okay, so rest it for half an hour and cover it. So this all the masala we are putting in a mutton. काय काय टाकलंय तुम्ही यात? हे पान, दगडफूल, नारळ, ही वेलची आणि हे दगडफूल आहे ना. यांनी थोडेसे शेंगदाणे आणि जायपत्री आणि हे धने चणे पण घेतले आहेत त्यांनी, दाणे पण घेतले आहेत. सो ऑल दिस spices. This is cinnamon, big one. These are dagad-fool, and these are typical garam masala we use in Maharashtra. This is coconut, dry coconut, this groundnut, and coriander seeds, little this लवंग बोलते हैं इसको. तो we'll just roast it and then we'll grind it to mix it in a mutton. This masala, I'm heating a pan here. We'll put all the masala in that. हे सगळं तुम्ही भाजून घ्या. So I kept this onion for shallow fry. I'll make a paste and त्याला जरासं तेलामध्ये भाजून घ्या कांद्यांना. This is masala I have already roasted, and this masala, coriander, tomato, some ginger, garlic and chilies. I'll make the paste here. I kept it for to marinate this mutton. So this masala, just see I've taken tomato, chili, ginger, garlic, and I'll put some this dried coconut and I'll paste it. I'll grind and make a paste. So this cooker, I'm going to make a mutton and I'm putting oil to fry all the masala. थोड़ा सा या कुकरमध्ये मी तेल घातलं आहे. यात सगळे मसाले जाणार. सगळे गरम मसाला, कांदे, आलं, जिरं, लसूण, टमाटे, मिरची, नारळ याची पेस्ट करून यामध्ये घालणार. मटण आणि ठेवलं आहे मसाला लावून. So friends, I am putting this leaves, dry leaves, masala leaves. हे तामपत्र मी घालते यात. आणि ही काडी मसाल्याची काडी असते. I don't know what to. This is a cinnamon. I don't know what this one. Now I'm going to put this paste. Paste केलेलं. Added some onions and this masala paste, and half of the onions I'm going to make a paste out of this, and then I will add this coriander also I'm going to add. So this masala I have added. Now this coriander and onion paste I'm adding this. Mix it nicely. Be careful, it should not stick to the pan, so you have to stir intermediately to ensure that it should not stick. हे चांगल्याने परतून घ्या. यात कांदा आणि कोथिंबीरची पेस्ट घातली आहे. बाकी गरम मसाल्याची पेस्ट आहे. त्याला चांगलं फिरवणार. So see, now I'm going to add chili, turmeric, this is cumin and coriander powder. So I'm adding this to masala. Now mix it well. यात मसाले घालून चांगल्याने मिक्स करा. I will add this marinated mutton. This is a hot water. I am going to put the masala. In this masala I have added this garam masala, and I don't want to put. I have only Everest fish curry masala, which I don't want to add. I am not going to add this. So I would be adding the mutton now. So this is the masala, and this masala now I'm going to add this marinated mutton, and here is the hot water. So this mutton will go into this masala. So this mutton I have added, and see here. I'm stirring it. त्याला नीटसर मिळवून घ्या. मटण घातलेलं आहे. मॅरिनेटेड मटण आहे. यात दही आणि मसाला ऑलरेडी होतात. So mix it well and keep it for 5 minutes again. Then we'll add this hot water. And this remaining masala whichever is left, you just put little water, mix it, and then put it inside. This is cumin, small seeds, so I'm adding this also. So now I have added the hot water, marinated mutton, and I'll close this cooker lid, and then I'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes on a high flame. and then 5 to 10 minutes for low. So stir it nicely before closing the lid. So I close the cooker. I'll keep it for 15 minutes. And here I am making the rice. Here I have kept the rice. Now the food is ready. How is the taste? Yummy? So friends, we have this mutton curry. Now we are relishing here.